y'all, come along with me and let's do an unboxing from Creekside Nursery. Welcome to Miss Best Place. Doing an unboxing for y'all today. I've already unboxed it. It's going to be from Creekside Nursery in Dallas, North Carolina. If you're not familiar with Creekside, they also have a YouTube channel called Gardening with Creekside, and Miss Jenny is the one that does that show. So the first order I got from them was about 3 weeks ago, and the order I got was terrible. They did make it right. They sent me replacements for all the ones that were the worst. Now the others are all, I think I had 2 hydrangeas, 2 hostas, 2 butterfly plants, and I had 4 of the type of super tunia, I forget what it was called, Rocca Puco. Out of that order, they sent me 4 replacements of the Rocapuco and 1 hydrangea. But this order looks great. There was supposed to be a sale. I guess I just sort of misunderstood it, but it was said you buy 4 and you get 4 for free. Well, I took it that if I bought 12, I got 12 for free. So if you do the math, that's what I come up with. But instead, they just pretty much discounted the plants. So I got 12 plants, and it was $120. So the first 4 are the Bright Lights Purple Osteospermum. I don't know if I'm saying that right. Osteospermum. There's 4 of them, and they're purple. They're this color. They look just like the tag. And then, so there's 4 of those. They all look nice and healthy and green. And then I've got 4 of the Super Beania Stormburst verbenias. I love verbenias. They grow so well for me. I've got some out there in a big pot in the front yard. I've got some in the back by the pool, and they are all growing great. All right, 4 of those. And again, they all look great. These are full to part sun, and the osteospermums are full to part sun also. And then we have the third plant that I got is the Sunfinity Double Yellow Sunflower, and that's what they look like. That's what the plant looks like. I do have one. All of them have buds on them. This one especially has several on it. You see one's fixing to bloom right there. So, yeah, I'm really happy about this. The price was good, and even though I misunderstood that I was supposed to buy 12 and get 12, or buy 4 get 4, they just did a discount instead. I probably would rather have the plants instead. I would have rather paid for 12 plants and got 12 plants. But anyways, with that being said, the order came. It's gorgeous. The plants all look nice and healthy. These are going to go, I've got a place out in my backyard that I'm going to put these, and I'm sure they'll be happy. It was funny because the other day, I looked out there by my pool, and I had a sunflower, a huge sunflower growing. I'll put a picture of that on this video. Hi! Hi, baby. And yeah, it was a free plant it was free from me watering, or not watering, but feeding my birds. It was sunflower seed have sprouted. Do you want to say hey to everybody? Come get on the camera. Come here. Come here. Look right there and tell everybody hey. Say hello. Hello. Say have a good day. Have a good day. Say love you. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Blow kisses. I'm so glad y'all came by with me and watched this video with me today. And stay tuned. In a couple of days, I'm going to be going on vacation. So that means I've got to get all these plants planted before I leave. We're going to Jekyll Island, Georgia. And we did a Jekyll Island, Georgia vacation last year. And we rode our electric bikes on the beach. So this year that we're going to go back because we enjoyed it so much. And I'm just hoping it's not going to rain the whole time we're there, because it's been raining here for like 3 days. And it's supposed to rain there for about 3 days also. So I'm just praying that we have good weather. And I hope y'all have a great day. And I'll see y'all on the next video. God bless.
Hey, how you doing?